Hey guys, today on our 2006 Ford Explorer we're going to be fixing up the sunroof here by installing an air dam. Now on this 06 Explorer, the sunroof is really loud when it's opened. It does have this little flap here to keep air from going in, but it's really quite useless. So we ordered up one of these air dams. We're going to put this on here. The nice thing about this isn't going to obstruct any of the sunroof opening. There's a large space right here that isn't even an opening on the inside, so we're not losing really anything out of the sunroof, which is fantastic. So I'm just going to my tape measure. We're going to measure up how we want this to sit and go, and let's stick it on. So I know our sunroof is 33 inches across. And this guy is 37. So from edge to edge. So if we go so it should be about roughly 2 inches from the side on each side here. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this here. See how it goes. Actually 2 inches right there. Let's look at the other side. That's pretty good for right there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to make the visual reference mark on one of the tracks inside of really where we want it to sit. Looking good. Okay. We've got everything lined up where we want it to go. Now we don't want to lose our measurements. We'll give you a little bit of masking tape. Just going to mark the corners, and then we'll take it off, wipe everything down with some alcohol wipes that came provided with it, and we'll stick it on. I mean, really, this is just, honestly, for visual reference of where we actually want it to sit. Okay, so we got that done, and I know in the front here, let's just do one there as well, just so kind of know we got it all lined up. Where we need to use our wipes, wipe down the paint. This curve. Honestly, I try to keep this car as clean as possible. Same thing in my other vehicle, so shouldn't be taking off much grime, just any wax or residue that's on there to prevent it from sticking good. on it too. I'm going to start on the other side. We're going to peel the tape off, stick the front down as it goes around. That looks good. So, came pre-applied with some 3M tape on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. Double check the measurements before I really press it down. We do have some adjusting we can do as it sits right now, but I want to just make sure that's kind of stuck where it needs to go right from the beginning. Looks good from here, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish taking the tape off. Press everything down firm. It's funny, as I walk around, I can actually see on the edge where, oh, it's not sticking right there. The nice thing about this being a no drill installation is if you end up absolutely hating the wind deflector, it easily can come off. Just pressed firm. Alright guys, that is fully installed. Let's take a look at it from the inside. Alright guys, so sitting inside, you can see this is our original wind deflector right here. This comes up, it's actually even with the opening here, so there should be no real effect from the sun coming in, but it should deflect all that wind right over us. So guys, as you can see, that's fully installed on our 2006 Ford Explorer. If you like what you see here, make sure you give us that thumbs up, mash that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all next time.